if you are seeing this right now, I know you are probably looking for how to make money online, where to make money online. You are tired and you just want to know how to make money online. Well, congratulations, because you're in the right place. Because in this video, after you finish watching this video, you can have, I can assure you that you have a way to make money online without paying any money to anyone. Every step-by-step guide I'll be giving you in this video is totally free, and you don't have to pay me or anyone for it. Are we ready? Okay, just click on the red subscribe button because we are starting right now. Okay guys, just come with me. There's this site called picoworkers.com, right? Picoworkers.com is a site where you do some jobs, some tasks, little tasks, and you get paid for it. Okay, I'm opening it right now. Okay, you can see it. This is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. You just scroll down. Okay, now our advice to click on the right corner and turn it to desktop mode, right? Yes, you turn it to desktop mode. So yeah, this is how it looks like right now. You just check on any of all this stuff you are seeing right here. These are jobs to be done. Okay, let me check my task. Oh no, this is the task. You can see this is the task that I've done for the day. You can see, you can just go back here. These are tasks, these are small tasks that they want you to do, and you can see you have to be paid for it. Like, they are going to pay you for every of these things. The good thing here is that these jobs are unlimited. Like, there's always a job. Can you see the amount? You can see $31 for this particular job. You can see this one, $0.210 actually for that particular job. That's how the price varies. Everyone put their own price for different jobs. This is how you can make money right here, and it will just count for you after you finish one of these jobs. So now I know you'll be wondering, what job is this job? Just hold on, we'll be diving to it right now. Let's just scroll down a little bit. You can see it. You can see everything right there. You can see this one is $30. This one is $1. Can you see that one there? $1. You can see $180. Yeah, that's how the price varies. This thing, you are signing up for free. You don't need to do anything. Okay, now you can see, now I just opened that one. This is the work they ask us to do here. Can you see it? You go to the website, you just click there. It's very easy. Now this one, can you see everything they say we should do right here? This is what is written right there. Yeah, you can see it. You can see everything here. All you need to do is to follow. Just when you get to the site, you get to understand everything step by step. All you need to do is to perform this task. Now me, I don't like this very one. I don't like this very one because they require KYC stuff, and I don't have that. So let me just check another one, the one we can do real quick, because that one is a little bit long. It's not that hard because there are different jobs, and you're the one that's going to choose which one you want to do. So let's just choose a smaller job, $0.31 job. Let's just check it out. Okay, now you see, all I'm required to do is to go like a Facebook post, right? Let me click out and check another one. Okay, I'll just search it. Can you see it? That's the good thing about it. You can actually search for the kind of job you want to do. I'll just search it, change it to Facebook, and apply. Can you see? This is what I can do, and they are to pay me that amount you're seeing right there. So what I'm going to do is to just click it, allow it load. You see what they ask me to do here? Just like a Facebook post, and come back. This is the requirement, or is this company is not actually going to approve your work. So you have to submit this requirement you are seeing below there. So you have to tell them, they require us to tell them the name of the page and tell them the name I use. So me, I'll just go and change my Facebook page right now, because I don't use this account for those stuff. It's my entertainment page. So right now, I'll come back to this account. Okay, yeah. So what I'm going to do now is to click on this link right there. I'll just click it, and they ask me to like a Facebook page, right? So it's loading right now. You just hold on. I'm required to like a Facebook page, right? So do not click away, because we just have to do this thing together, so you have a complete knowledge of everything that's holding right there. Okay, now you see the page. You see the page right here. So I'm to just like this page. Okay, they require me to log in. Okay, now I'll just quickly log in. Okay, now I just come back to my site here, and I'll just go back to the site back, and I click the link again. So you just hold on and see how everything is done, how you perform these tasks, and click the link again. Okay, yeah, you can see now I cannot like. What I will just do is to like this page. You see I'm done. I'll just go back to the site, click back, and go back to the site. And oh, I didn't check the name of that stuff. Let me just click it again and check the name. Okay, Overcomers Wisdom Sessions, right? Overcomers Wisdom Sessions. I just go back here and click it here. You can see that's the requirement for this job. You see any requirement they give you is what you will do, or else these people are not going to approve your job. And when they don't approve your job, this site is not going to pay you. So I will just type it right here. Overcomers Wisdom Sessions. Yeah. Okay, now the name of my Facebook name. So they actually do confirm these things, right? They actually do confirm these things. Now the name of my okay, it's Ubaokichuku. Yeah, that's my name. So yeah, so what you want to do now is to click on confirm. Before then, you can see the dollars right here. You can see the dollars. You can see my pending balance and my end balance. So any job you do, the money is going to add to your pending balance until this company requests it. You can see I just confirmed it and it will add up right there. You can see it right there. You can see this is not the amount I had there before. That's the pending limit. You can see, so the thing just add up there, and that's how you make these dollars. That's about 0 point something dollars right now, because this is a new channel, it's a new page actually. So these are a bunch of jobs right here. These are a bunch of jobs. You just choose anyone you want to do on Picoworkers. And yeah, so the link of Picoworkers will be the first link on my description. You just click it, and do whatever job you want to do, and that's it basically. Now you can, let me just check something. Okay, all right, I'll just click away, guys. Okay. Oh, so basically guys, this is what you do on Picoworkers, and you make money. When you have up to $5, you can request a withdrawal, and they'll pay you through PayPal, through crypto coin, and whichever way you want, right? And that's that. It's very easy. It's very easy. So I'm back here. This is the site picoworkers.com. Yeah, the link to it will be on my description. The first link on my description. So yeah, so this is the jobs page. There's a whole lot of jobs here for you to do. So you just search anyone. You can be doing this in your workplace, anywhere. You can see it's not that stressful. So this is it about Picoworkers, guy. Now this is another thing you can actually do. You can see it. This is affiliate platform in Picoworkers. So you can just copy this link right here, and that will be your affiliate link. Yeah, you can see it's copied. You share it with your friends, and when they click on it and join the Picoworkers platform, you get to earn from their elite commission from what they are doing. You get it. That's a little affiliate program. They are available to every of Picoworkers members, right? So what you want to do, just help me click on subscribe. This is a new channel. I just opened this channel. So what I'm doing here actually is that I'm going to be giving you guys tips to make money online. You can follow me on Instagram also. This is my Instagram website, my Instagram page, instagram.com/officialwiseboy. You can also follow me on Instagram. You can see, yeah, I'm an entertainer, and I do comedy videos and stuff like that. So yeah, just brush through my page and follow your boy. Yeah, but my YouTube, this YouTube I just opened, is very new right now. I have another YouTube channel. I just created this channel to teach you how to make money online, and I'll be doing some other tutorials. So I want to click on the red subscribe button, subscribe, so you don't miss any update when I drop any hot video. Thank you.